Hello everyone, welcome to November Favorites 2018. I'm so sorry for being late, but I wanted to do this month's favorite on one of my trips because I have all my favorites with me every time I travel, and I thought you'll get a fresh change, a different background, a different face. I'm sure I look very, very different. So yes, I'm going to start with skincare. So it's not exactly skincare, but it is my lens solution. I wear contact lenses quite frequently now, and that is why I have to share with you my experience with the lens solution. I used to buy my lens solution from the medical store sometimes, but I discovered that the stock that they have is a little old sometimes because everybody does not buy the lens solution from there. So now I swear by buying this from my optician because वहाँ से सब lens solution लेते हैं. So it's a fresh stock, a better stock. It's very important for our eyes. So the one I use is Opti Free Pure Moist All Day Comfort. So if you haven't settled down with the one that suits you best, give this a go because this has been working wonders for me. My lens have been staying fresh for over a month, even though I went to bathe in the sea water wearing them. So I think this had some role to play in that, and you can check this out. Also, talking about lens, I have saved my lens ki dabbies for you because a lot of you were asking what branded lens was I wearing. So they're called Celebration Colors Toric. I have cylindrical power. That means I have power from this axis and this axis both, and I don't get many brand options because of that. These are the ones I use. Currently I'm wearing blue lens, which do not look blue. Can you see if they look blue? I think they make my eyes look black, if not the original brown, and I'm very upset, and I'm going to ask my optician if I can change them. But the ones I was wearing for the previous month were grey, and I loved them. They were a very, very fresh change. So I would recommend the grey if you have dark brown eyes. The next category is makeup, and I have this one palette with me, which is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2. I love red eyeshadow a lot. Like, I like drama on my eyes. So I've been looking for a proper red pigmented eyeshadow palette, and I researched and I thought this one was the best, and indeed it was. Not only do I do my eyes with this, but I can do my full face with this one palette because it has a lot of matte browns, so contouring ho jata hai. Shimmers are good for my highlighter. A lot of pinks are there, so I can do my blush with it, and there's a white powder, so because of that I actually set my under eyes with it sometimes. So this palette does all the jobs. Now the next category is food. How can I not have a food favorite? It is this brown rice vermicelli by the brand Peacock. I'll put a photo right here, and I'll also be linking everything down below so you can buy it directly if you want. Now I do not like rice that much. मतलब पसंद है, but थोड़ा सा I'm moody with rice, and I love noodles. So this vermicelli does not come broken पहले से. ये एक ऐसा wrapped आता है पूरा. So if you don't break them, they actually feel like you're eating noodles, and at the same time you're not eating maida, you're eating brown rice. तो healthy का healthy भी हो गया, noodles का noodles भी हो गया. Yeah, that's why I love it. For the random bits and pieces, I have two things. The first one is my protein shaker bottle or shaker. It is from Decathlon. The quality of this is the best, and it is better by a margin compared to every other shaker you get in the market, because every time I whip this out, my friends are like, ha, itna mehenga shaker liya, and I'm like, 400 rupaye ka, and they're like, what? That's the conversation every single time. This is very, very thick plastic, and इसमें ना protein ऐसा रह नहीं जाता. It's easy to clean as well because they give this attachment, so you have to put this in the dhakkan and then you can shake it, and it mixes my drink very, very fast. Another hack I have for you is, if you're carrying some protein powder, what you can do is you can actually store it in Ziploc bags. I have 2 scoops in one bag, and then every time all you have to do is take all the bags out and empty your one bag in the shaker, and then have the protein shake, and once you've cleaned it, you can put the rest in here. So you end up saving a lot of space by doing this. So this is one hack for you. And my last favorite for this month, as in the past month, have been my earphones. These are the JBL wireless earphones. How these work is that you have to turn them on from the button, and then you can have them here. These are great for when I'm working out because I can leave my phone away finally, and I don't have to worry about shoving them inside my lingerie. So this was it for my video. Hope you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. I have quite a few videos left, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.